How to install Google Sheets on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Sheets on your computer so you can use it like a normal desktop app. First, open the Google Chrome web browser. Make sure you're using Google Chrome and not another browser. Now, go to google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, click on the square Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and open Google Sheets. Once Google Sheets opens, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Now, scroll down to Cast, Save and Share, then click on Install Page as App. After that, click Install. As you can see, this will install Google Sheets on your computer like its own application. Even if you close the browser, Google Sheets will still work as a separate app on your PC. You can also open the Start menu and search for Sheets anytime to launch the app quickly. And that's it. That's basically how you can install Google Sheets on Windows 11. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.